The sheer size and layout will blow you away. Exceptional value here at 119 Queen's Court Road. High ceilings, 5 bedrooms, study. Conservation area is your neighbour. The price will astound you.
Inside of our embassy, everything we need's right here. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning.
You have 3 large living areas here. This is one. The upstairs one is ideal for the children or the teenagers' retreat. Double garage, drive-through access to the rear yard, a 6x3 shed. Over 30 squares of living. What more is there to say?